Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to my TurboHost VPS video review. First to market, Intel Turbo CPU-based hosting technology lets you host unlimited websites and domains on ultra-fast and secured VPS servers without any monthly fees ever. Save thousands of dollars yearly. Load unlimited websites and domains like a rocket. Keep all your websites 100% secured. No monthly payment hassles. 24/7 dedicated support. Host unlimited websites and domains. World-class SafeShell technology-backed premium hosting. Install 50+ premium apps in just one click. Unlimited bandwidth. Unlimited email addresses. Multi-language support. Free SSL Certificat. Get automated daily backup. Email spam assassin. Powerful SSD. NVMe storage. Unmatched eCommerce functionality. One-click WordPress install. PCI DSS Compliance. Web Application Firewal. 100+ Extensions Catalogue. Multi-PHP Manager. Git Support. PHP Composer. Node.js Support. Ruby on Rails. Postgresql. Pro. WordPress Toolkit. Laravel Toolkit. SEO Toolkit. Site Advisor. Zero monthly payment hassles. Easy to use control panel. So friends, if you can buy this product, please check this video description.